Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group 7 from Section 5. We want to present for our project. Our group consists for 5 people, which is me, Nuha, and other group members, Hamiza, Zara, Umi, and Amni. Our company is named Ring Pong Construction Sdn Bhd, who is located at Sebenih, Selangor. For our capital is 500 million and above from CIDB. We upgraded from G5 to G6. It's allowable for RM 5 millions and above. And the scope of work is foundation work, general civil and building, and piling and other subcontractor work. For our founded by Datuk Hisham bin Hamid, who act as a managing director, Naufal Adam bin Ahmad as a project director, and IR Haji Nawawi bin Saad as a technical director. We are experienced from 29 years in subcontractor and civil engineering. We are operated in civil engineering building, foundation work, piling and other subcontractor work. The organization is concentration on client happiness. It is also desire to grow and continually exchange the firm, and is dedicated to delivering excellence quality service and a positive relationship between employees and the environment. For our vision, we are to provide our clients with value construction, our skill installation, building construction, and our mission is to ensure client need and develop on quality product, and we strive to improve international level service quality.
So next introduction. For our project title is the design and build of construction complex Rakam Muda at Alor Gajah, Melaka. So, Rencon Construction Sdn Bhd as a subcontractor company decided to take the opportunity join the tender that has been opened up by JKR to take part in project construction of complex Rakam Muda. So, to design and build the building, the company must conduct a field investigation of subsoil condition surveys, including exploratory boring, undisturbed sample, and laboratory tests. So next is location Max Complex Rakam Muda, which is located in Alor Gajah, Melaka, and the selected location is strategic. Next is for analysis of data. Analysis of data are important for analysis soil investigation. Subsurface exploration is a process of identifying the layers of deposits that underlie a proposed structure and their physical characteristics. Subsurface exploration comprises several steps, including the collection of preliminary information, reconnaissance, and site investigations. And for field exploration and testing, standard penetration test (SPT) are also disturbed and undisturbed soil sample can be done in situ. For laboratory testing that's suitable to conduct is direct shear test and Atterberg limit test.
My name is Hamiza binti Zainil, DF 190111. So overall, the project contains 19 columns and only one borehole. The axial load from the column has the range between 200 kN to 500 kN. All these columns are divided into 3 groups based on the axial load. Table 1 shows the axial load from column and Table 2 shows the group of column. So, here are the analysis profile for BH1 or borehole 1 based on the soil strata.
Alright, I will continue the presentation. A deep foundation system is one that can transfer load to a deeper area that can support those roots. The width is much smaller than the depth or the length. We use piling foundation for this project. Basically, pile are the slender structure members made of steel, timber or the concrete, usually for the purpose of providing vertical or lateral support, because one or more of the higher soil layer are highly compressible and equally supported, which is a pile foundation. Piles are used to transfer loads from the superstructure to the bedrock beneath or to the vertical layer of the soil. In this project, we divided into the 3 group piles, which are A, B and C, and the type of the pile pre-stressed concrete pile. the mu half meter clay and the alpha meter clay used in the analysis of the foundation, and the formulas are shown as below. Okay, for the group A, the ultimate absolute is 300 kN, and then the pulse dimension 0.55 meter times 0.55 meter, and then the pile length is 9 meter. The QU is 1074.65 kN, and then for the group B with same dimension, have the absolute with 400 kN, and the ultimate load carrying capacity is 1368.7, and the length of the pile is 10 meter, while the group C is 50 meter and also the absolute with 500 kN, and the ultimate load carrying capacity is the higher from the group A and the B, which is 1824.16.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Amni Mahira binti Muhammad Hashim. So I will proceed with the settlement design. Settlement in soil is occur when the total vertical displacement happen on the structure at the foundation level. The building structure is able to settle down due to some reasons, which consists of the overloading building structure, reduction in the volume air and water ratio in the soil, inappropriate compaction or consolidation, improper design of foundation, and poor bearing capacity of the soil. So next, this is the checking of the settlement. Settlement of foundation can be checked by using the basic method formula shown as below, which is SE equal to SE1 plus SE2 plus SE3. SE1 is the elastic settlement of pile, SE2 is the settlement of pile caused by the load at the pile tip, and SE3 is the settlement of pile caused by the load transmitted along the pile shaft. Okay, this is the formula for SE1, SE2 and SE3. Next is the summary of the settlement design. For group A, the settlement value is 17.2, which is the settlement check is less than 65, so it's okay. For group B, the settlement value is 26.7 and it is less than 65 millimeter, and it is also okay. And the last one is group C. The settlement value is 20.4 and it is less than 65 millimeter, and it is okay. So overall, the settlement is okay.
The natural soil conditions in the site are not always suitable for the construction or to support the structure. To overcome these problems, soil improvements are needed to ensure the structure are safe to construct and to be used for a long period of time. Usually, soft clay have low shear strength and low stiffness. Soil that have low shear strength leads to shear failure, and soil that low stiffness can give impact to large deformation or settlements. The first method that our group proposed is the compaction method. Compaction is the oldest and the simplest ground improvement. The soil is densified by applying the external pressure using rollers. The second method is lime stabilization. Calcium ions can replace potassium and sodium ions from clay, and a process named flocculation produced to change the texture of clay soil, where the particles tend to come together and form the larger particles. Hence, it will increase the workability, improve the strength and deformation properties of the soil.
For the conclusion, from structure analysis, we can conclude this project have 19 columns as a total. Loads that were applied by the column between is 200 kN and 500 kN. They have three categories group of columns, which is A, B and C, which maximum axial loads for each group are 300 kN, 400 kN and 500 kN. Since every group have different value of ultimate load, load carrying capacity QP kilonewton and frictional resistance QS kilonewton and also ultimate load carrying capacity Q. So, since every group have different value of ultimate load, so the load carrying capacity QP, frictional resistance QS, ultimate load carrying capacity QU also have a different value for each group. So that's all from our groups. Thank you.